Hi guys, today I'm going to show you two easy method install wireless display in Windows 10 and 11 without any errors. Let's begin.
Method 1. Install using optional features. Right-click Windows icon. Click on Settings. At the right menu, click Apps. And click Optional Features. Click View Features. Type Wireless Display. Tick the box and click Next. Then click Install. After that, wait the installation finish. Method 2. Install using App Installer. Double-click the downloaded file. Then, click Install. Now wait the installation finish. Now you can start screen mirror your phone screen to your laptop. That's all for today's tutorial. See you again in the next video. Bye.